Hello, and welcome to Food Tight. This is our second video. Welcome to this channel. If you are new, please remember to subscribe, like, share. I know it's our second video, but we would love you to support us. This channel is inspired by Caribbean foods and all foods all over the world. Lots of flavor. We are bringing in lots of flavor, so I hope you're going to enjoy it. And stay tuned for more interesting recipes. Growing up as a child, I love to cook. I love food. And that's why I call it food tight. In other words, it's appetite for food. That's where the name came from. So I hope you will enjoy it. Enjoy this journey with me. Enjoy cooking with me. Let's just enjoy ourselves. Nothing perfect. It's all natural. And it's just having fun and just putting flavors together and enjoying food. Food is to be enjoyed. And so it's not to be complicated, but to be enjoyed, natural, relaxing, having fun, and putting in the recipes that you love. So I hope you continue to enjoy. So continue to enjoy this video towards the end. Have a wonderful day. And remember, we can do all things for Christ who strengthens us. He is our strength, our peace, and our rewarder in a very pleasant time in times of trouble. So enjoy and see you on the next video. Please remember to subscribe, share, and like. God bless. Have a nice day.